As the title said it well, today we will talk about the new MacBook Pro 13-inch and how the 16-inch model is better in many aspects. How do I know it? Well, I've bought it. Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans, welcome back to my channel and on this Tech Talk Thursday. I'm happy to meet you here for a little talk about the MacBook Pros. Don't open your wallet for buying a fully loaded 13-inch MacBook Pro just yet. At the higher end, there are cases where 16-inch MacBook Pro will be a much better value. With the new MacBook Pro 13-inch release, all of Apple's current lineup of laptops have the improved keyboard. Yay! For those of you who don't know what the problem was with the butterfly keyboard, easy, the keys just stopped working. That's annoying. After a couple of years of complaints, Apple finally admitted that there was a problem with the keyboard design of the MacBook Pro models and offered free repairs to customers who had been affected. Now it seems that Apple has given up on the butterfly keyboard design altogether. The updated 13-inch MacBook Pro now features the new Magic Keyboard, also introduced on the 16-inch MacBook Pro and added to MacBook Air in March. Magic Keyboard features a redesigned scissor mechanism with 1mm of key travel for a comfortable and stable key feel, while the new inverted T arrangement for the arrow keys makes them easier to find, whether users are navigating through spreadsheets or playing games. Magic Keyboard also features a physical escape key along with Touch Bar and Touch ID. The keyboard alone is a big update, but Apple also often gives its laptops a slight tune-up every year. At the basics, that means slightly faster processor coming in to replace their tired predecessors. Mais non, not this time. To get anything more than the performance you did from last year's model, you have to buy the higher-end version of the 13-inch MacBook Pro. The basic price of the new model don't give you a better performance. If your buying decision is based on performance or physical differences like size and weight, then your choice could be easy. If you're using it for editing videos, photos, playing video games, using it for graphics-heavy tasks, the 16-inch MacBook Pro is the right choice for you. Or you just mainly telework, surf the internet, then a MacBook Air might be the right machine for you. If you know you sometimes need more power, but not all the time, then the new 13-inch MacBook Pro might be the better choice. But you have to consider price too. And right now, two issues affects whether the 13-inch MacBook Pro is your best choice. If you want a better processor, more storage, more RAM memory, that means the price is going to be higher and basically you're heading toward the retail pricing of a 16-inch MacBook Pro. Apple sells the 16-inch MacBook Pro starting at $2,399 compared to the 13-inch MacBook Pro's entry price of $1,299. That's over $1,000 difference. So clearly, these machines are priced to attract different customers. What you need to know is that the new 13-inch machine is pretty much last year's model with better storage and improved keyboard. If that's not enough for your needs, or if you want even a little more power, you're looking at the higher price version. I'm not saying everyone should leap to the 16-inch MacBook Pro, but when the realistic real-world price difference for a 13-inch with upgraded specs is only at about $200 or $300, you've got to consider it like I did. And I prefer the bigger screen too. So, does the size of the screen matter? Well, it does actually. It's much more comfortable for the eyes. When editing, the laptop still fits in my backpack, even if it's a bit heavier. Saying that, I must confess I'm not going anywhere with it at the moment, so I can't really complain about a backache. So mes amis, if you're still watching, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button just down en dessous and subscribe to my channel if it's not done yet. I will see you next week. In the meantime, Take good care of yourself and your family. Salut!